Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how I clean my air filter to my KTM. Okay, we have two buckets, one for the dirty water and one for the clean water. Then we're going to pour some in, then we're going to mix it up with our hands. After that, we're going to take our dirty filters, look how dirty. Then we're going to put it in, lightly squeeze, don't twist or do it hard. But then, look how clean that air filter is. After that, we're going to stir it and take some of the stains off. Then we're going to squeeze some of it out, not so hard. Look at that filter, so clean. Then we're going to put it in the clean water, same with the other one. Don't squeeze, lightly squeeze. Then we're going to do the same thing. Then we're going to squeeze it out. Don't twist it. Look at that, so clean. This water is dirty. We're going to let the air filter dry, then we're going to spray this oil. See you next time. Peace.
Good job.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Cisneros Sisters MX. Peace.